Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a gift for my wife from I guess her friend or co-worker. So I'm gonna do the unboxing for you guys to check it out. I think she said maybe some kind of soap or something. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully there's no personal message. Well, it's in a wooden box. That's a personal message. So this one is the Fern Valley Fern Valley Goat Milk Soap Pampering Spot gift box by Itsy. And it says a happy holiday, my friends. It's time to pamper yourself as you deserve so much more. So I got this nice wooden basket or the box. So as I tape it together, they have some kind of glue or yeah. So this one is the Fern Valley Goat Milk Soap lip balm, and I guess this is another soap. Come with this cranberry pomegranate. So there's a contact information if you guys need to order something or go online. Although I'm not affiliated with this company, okay? This one is the oatmeal and honey scrub. And this one's again cranberry and pomegranate. This is the lotion. Got this bar for your foot. And this one's body butter, warm vanilla sugar, soap. Then you got this sponge or scrub for your back with the netting. And this one is for you to hang. And then this one is the wooden brush. Got this nice bristle. All right. There's nothing inside. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below if you guys used this previously or not. So I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.